Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have another bold and pretty simple design that I would like to share with you guys. And since it's February and it is Valentine's and people are still in love, I am going to share this design with you. And it's another cat eye drama design. Pretty simple though. So thank you for joining me today. This is Heavenly Nails It, and my name is Morning Star. So right now I am starting off with a bold pink color that will be my base color. And then I am going to put that in the lamp and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Here I have a cat eye design and it is a new polish that I have and I think it is pronounced Me Only Me. And it is pretty nice. It's a little thick, but I think it gives you that nice effect that you would like. And if you have a good base background, you can be able to see the color and the shimmer in it pretty well. Now I'm gonna take my magnet and I'm just gonna move that shimmer to somewhere close on the design that I would like, and then give it that little glass cat eye effect. I'm gonna move it around in different areas and I'm gonna use different parts of the magnet. Here I have some embellishments. I have some pearls, caviar beads, some hearts. So I am going to use my Beetles glue and I am going to bling it out just a little bit. So here I go, guys. I brought out my rose gems and I just love the effects or the glassy or the shine to these rose gems. So I'm just going to apply a few of them onto this nail and then I will add some top coat and put it in the lamp and let it cure, and that would be the finished product. So I thank you all for joining me. Again, my name is Morningstar. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you made it this far, I really truly appreciate it. It does help my channel grow. But I do appreciate you taking the time and designing this nail with me. If it isn't too much to ask, I would appreciate if you like this video, comment, share, or even subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, but it really helps me. So just like it, or just share it. Maybe someone else might like it.